This is the GAC M8 Master, where luxury doesn't come at an extravagant price tag. Up front, a bold grille and matrix LED headlights demand attention. Under the hood, a 2-litre turbo engine with an 8-speed auto, built for smooth, effortless drives. Inside, pure first class. Captain seats with massage, ventilation and memory. A massive 14.6-inch touchscreen, premium Yamaha sound, and ambient lighting all around. And it's smart too, with adaptive cruise, lane assist, and a full 360 camera for safety. At an attractive price tag of AED 159,900, it undercuts competition by a huge margin. The M8 Master isn't just an MPV, it's a luxury lounge on wheels.